Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi 10T and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera. One of this is the slow motion, so let's tap on it. And here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big red button at the center. So let me start to show you how it works. And now let's start by tapping again on this button, and let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. When we pick this one, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our video. Let's play it by tapping on the center. And as you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.